I'm feeling in the mood. Okay, so we can do the sky colour there. We'll just do a nice little sky. There we go. Just a little gentle flick there. Just some little foliage and stuff going on. Just tapping the end of the brush on there and that'll create a little bit of mist, and we can do some bushes and stuff in front of that. You see what colour I've got here? We can do some little bushes that live here. Mixing between the colours hopefully. Some little yellow ones that live there. Just a little bush there. There we go. Let's have a nice little bush over here. Sort of comes down here. Let's go to a bit more of the red. We'll have a little one coming down there. There we go. Just think about all these little bushes, where they sit and overhang. Just put some faint ones there. Just a little tap. Maybe just a few little, if I go into some dark green and just make a slightly darker, I might just see some hints of something there, look. There, just some hints, there's some little back bushes in there. It looks a nice little place to sit, doesn't it? Some gentle grass. We'll go something like that. Let's go a little bit dark around here. There we go. Right, okay, now let's just you can just see a little bit of water falling down there. A little waterfall. Right, now just a few little splashes at the bottom of that little waterfall. Let's just pull down here. There we go. This is so good. We're just going to pull down. We're going to be coming all the way around here. Something like that. That's just white on top of there. Now, what we're going to do here is just pull this colour straight down. Straight down. Just like that. Okay. And then, right, okay, here comes the water. Look. Does that look like water? And then we can tidy up all them little edges there. We can just put a little bit that comes down there. Just tidy up them edges. Just giving it a bit of a sheen. There. Just by. And I'll put a little bit sort of down here. Gives a nice sort of sheen, doesn't it? So you can do this with the palette knife or whatever. Yeah, I think that's quite nice. There we go. A lot of different ways to sort of do that, isn't it, really? We'll have some. We'll just think about how we're going to have this. There we go. Just bring that across. Something like that. There we go. Oh, that's quite inviting, isn't it? I might make that a little bit more curvier. It's good fun. It's good fun. I'm having fun. So this has taken what? This is taking 35 minutes so far, I think. Let's have a drink. In my Bob brush cup. Go and get yourself one at the website. I'm gonna add another tree in it. Maybe we'll just put it here. I'm gonna use the palette knife for this. So yeah, I'm just using the palette knife just to put this on. Just with trees, just have a little wobble, I think. Trees, they're all individual, aren't they? So you can have as many sort of limbs on this as you want. Right, and if I'm lucky, I can just drag that down. Bit of an awkward. There's a little bit too much white, but I can sort that out. And just a little bit of dark. And then I'm going to add some flavour on top of that. I just want to darken some of that up so the actual thing covers. Right, let's go into this colour. We're going to put some... I'm going to change the colour up a little bit here and there. I want some red in this as well. Oh, that's nice. Oh, look at that bright red. Oh, I like that. I do like that. Just put a little hint there. Just a little bit of light coming through there. I can reflect this tree a little bit into the water here as well. I'll show you how that kind of moves, but I'm not going to do too much. Let's just put a little bit there. Might be able to see a little bit of reflection here, you see. So we'll just do how this, there's only a little bit, just something like that. You might see a few leaves, colour from the leaves there. We'll do something like that, and let's just put a few here. This isn't still water, so I'm doing this kind of just to show you how. But yeah, we'd sort of do that, and then you can pull down here. Just a very light reflection there. Just something in a little reflection of the tree. And when you go to the website, obviously click on buy now for the paintings. Make sure you scroll all the way through because there's pages. At the bottom it will say, you know, next. I'm sure you know how to do it, but just in case you didn't, I'll show you the website anyway in a minute. Then you can get your Bob and Brenda merch as well. It's beautiful, Carl says. June, thank you, June. Thank you so much. A little C there. And a little M. That's my initials, and I will sign the back. So, yeah. Bob and Brenda. Hello. I don't know how I come up with these. I don't really know. Oh, there's my signature. Being Emerald Springs. Yeah. Got a brain like a sieve. Emerald Springs. Nice name, isn't it? Some great names there tonight. And the date, which is the 5th of the 10th, 2023. There we go. You're really close. I'm gonna bark on that tree. I like that tree. It's nice. Thanks for being here. Thanks for all the support, everyone. And I'll catch you in the next one. Night night.